Hi guys! Just an update lang. Kakatapos na ng meeting ko. I'm trying to record this moment lang kasi nakatapos na ng meeting ko with my boss. My boss right now is Rose. Well, ay nasa meeting room ako. Ang ganda ng meeting room ko. Nasa corporate ako. Just wanna vlog. Gusto ko lang mag-vlog. But today I asked God, after na meeting namin ni Rose, if Lord, is this something that you want for me? Like, ito ba yung gusto mo sa akin, Lord? Kasi napapaisip na ako at this age. I'm currently 27 years old. And I'm trying to, I'm trying to dream. I'm trying to plan my life. I'm turning 28 na this March. But right now, no pressure, of course. But sa nangyari sa akin from last month, December, sobrang twist yung nangyari sa life ko with my relationship. And heavy siya, to be honest. But it's something na I think na-manifest ko din. Kasi during nasa loob ako ng relationship na yun, I'm always confused. I am always asking questions to God. Is this something that is for me? Is this for me? Is this person really my partner? Something like that. Right now, after nung nangyari yun, sinagot ni God yung mga tanong sa isip ko, and ako lang pala yung syempre hindi nag-reach out, hindi ko alam na gano'n na pala yung situation, ganyan. I actually waited life to, come to me. The answers come to me. But nung end of the year, last week ng December 2024, I tried asking for the answers. So God provided to me. It was very heavy, even though I lost weight and I tried changing my perspective, changing my mind. But I didn't know that happened with my relationship. And right now, meron lang ako is tuldok. So it ended, and ang dami nag-change sa perspective ko in life after that pain na pinagdaanan ko. I wanted to cry during that time. Probably these days, makakaramdam din ako nun because grief comes in waves. And siguro mga na-realize ko in life is, after ng pain na yun na dumating sa akin, is that, you have to adjust. You have to be adaptable. You have to learn how to swim life on your own. And I thought I have someone I can, lagi ako naghahanap ng kasama. Lagi akong may buddy, lagi akong may kasamang grupo. And I dreamt that life is like that. Parang ini-imagine ko rin yung life that time na I thought magiging perfect. Yung parang ganun. I have my partner, I have my family, I have my friends, few friends. But ganun pala yung life. Parang darating pala yung point na ipaparealize sa'yo na you have to go. Kahit na gusto mo yung kahit gusto mo pa yung lugar na kung nasan ka. And it's something sobrang hard niya maintindihan no end of the year. Kasi ang heavy ng hinga. Pero ang bigat, sobrang bigat na yung taong mabuting nakilala mo, someone very, very sweet, someone very, very kind, passionate about you and the life that you both are vision, yung parang vision niyo both, para isang click pala, pwede siyang mawala. Yung parang ganun. Ayun. Wala lang, ewan ko, napachika ako right now. It's something na I wanna treasure these moments kasi naniniwala ako someday na I'll watch this video and then thank myself during these days na I was able to document it. In, sa first love ko, and then second suitor ko, and then first boyfriend, lahat yun first eh. Lahat nga ba first? Hindi naman, second pala yung isa. But, heavy. Lagi nilang pinaramdam sa akin na kapalit-palit ako. And, I'm actually thinking kung talaga bang kapalit-palit ako. Kasi nga, ginawa ko naman yung best ko. Hindi ko lang alam yung gagawin that time. Perfectly na gusto nilang gawin. But, I am who I am. Kung sino ako during that time, yun ako. And kung ano yung kaya ko lang i-provide that time, I don't wanna blame myself. I'm just being myself. Lalo na dito sa first boyfriend ko. He's not my first love, I know, but he has everything. Actually, he has everything on me. Wala naman akong ex-boyfriend or what. And hindi pa rin siya nakontento. And hindi pa rin siya, hindi pa rin ako naging sapat. So, people will always parang change your mind. It's something na na-realize ko rin nitong year end and even first week ng January. Actually, tinanong ako ng boss ko right now, how was it? First week ng January and then second, I don't know bakit kayang-kaya ko siya sabihin na everything is fine, everything is blah blah blah, ganyan. But you know what? It's been very, very heavy. Pagpasok ng taon. Kahit nga yung day 1 ng January, sobrang heavy sa akin. But life is good, God is good, all the time, God is good, life is good. Okay. And everything will be okay, everything will work out as it is. All I can do is be myself, provide everything that I can. And I just realized na kahit iwanan ka ng tao, you have yourself no matter what. And nakakalungkot lang someday na I know the future. Someday they will thank me for being just who I am. They will thank me for being just there. I didn't judge them. All I did is love them and pray to God that it will work out and ask God if it's something for me ba talaga. I lost weight nga pala na mention ko rin kanina, and I love my hair these days. I have my blower. I'm trying to do some makeup. I have my nails done. I'm trying my best to live. I'm really trying my best to live. If I can just wish one thing, I don't wanna go back to that dark area of my life where parang gusto ko na lang i-end yung life ko, na-depress ako ng sobra. And I'm trying to fight it. And if darating yung day na sobrang bigat, sobrang hirap, I know I have to reach out. I have to talk to a friend. I have to talk to someone, to my family. And I miss the old me. I still miss the old me. I miss the old us, my first boyfriend. I miss the old family days that may mga parents ko young pa. I miss everything right now, but what can I do? I just live up to it. Parang go with the flow. Pero to my future self, if mapapanood mo man to, for sure i-upload ko naman to sa YouTube. I wish nothing but your happiness and the love that you deserve. You know your worth, and always put everything, all of the things you do, give it to God, and He will fight for you, protect you, and love you deeply.